Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you on desktop lifecycle hooks, and that is most important. So guys, in this tutorial I will use local storage to explain the on desktop lifecycle hook. So guys, if you don't know about local storage, so you can check my video local storage. I will provide the link in description. So guys, here first of all I will show you the preview. Here is the home and about button. So when I will click home button, so it's a home component. Here you can see home component, and when I will click about button, so it will be go to the about component. So this is the about component. So first of all, in the home component, I already open a home component and home component TS file. So in the home component, first of all I will create a button. So button type is button, and here I will write a click method, and just here I will write a method name is add storage, and button name I will write add storage. Okay, so now I will copy. Here I have to add a parenthesis, and now I will copy this method and I will go to the TS file, and just here below the ng on it I will write the method. So when I will click that button, so just here I will write local storage dot set item, and if you have watched my local storage video, so you know when we set any string value in local storage, then we first of all pass a key. So key, as you can write as per your choice. So here I will write the key is store, and then here you have to pass the value what you want to show, and now I want to pass any string value, but before that I have to be write it JSON.string, because to convert in JSON format. So JSON dot stringify, and now here I will pass a value like on destroy. I will write the value is on destroy. Okay, so now that means when I will click this button, so it will be set a value in local storage, that is on destroy. So now I will open a developer tool, and here you can see now I am in home component, and in the home component I have added a button that is add storage, and now I will open a application. This is the application, and this is the local storage, and this is the our local host 4200, that means this local host. So if I click this button add storage, so here you can see it store it's a key is stored and the value is on destroy, which I have passed here. The key is stored and the value is on destroy. So now if I go to the about component, so you can see it's yet stored this on destroy value in store key out in the local storage. So but if I write on destroy lifecycle hook, so now I will show you the example of on destroy lifecycle hook. So to use on destroy lifecycle hooks, you have to be add this in your import. You have to be import it. So on O is the capital and D is the capital of on destroy. So on init is also a lifecycle hook. So same way you have to be import on destroy, and now I will copy this on destroy, and in the implements here just you have to be passed on destroy lifecycle hooks, and now you have to be create a method of on destroy like ng on init. So here you can see this is the ng on init method because it use on init lifecycle hook. So in the same way here just you have to be pass on destroy ng on destroy. You have to write ng on destroy method and curly braces. So if in the on destroy method, if I write here local storage dot remove item, and I want to remove this key. So when you want to remove local storage, so just you can write local storage dot remove item and the key name. So key name is store. So now I have written this remove inside this on destroy. So let's see what will be happen. So now I am a home component, and here it's on destroy value is stored here. So now if I go to the about component, so I'll click here, and you can see it's remove the local storage. So again I will go to home component and set a local storage value. So I'll click this add storage button. So again I will show this is the store a local storage But if I go to the another component, so I have a about component. So if I go to another any component, so it's remove the local storage value. But if I remove this remove item local storage from ng destroy lifecycle hook, so it will not be removed. So I will save and check the browser. So again I will store a value local storage, and now if I go to the about component, so now you can see it's not removing. So guys, why we use ng destroy? So guys, Angular is the single page application, so if you perform anything in any component, so that will be also performed in another component. So like here I am setting a local storage in home component, so when I am going to the about component, so is also storing this local storage value. But on destroy, if you write anything in on destroy life inside this on destroy lifecycle hooks, that means it will be performed only this component, and on destroy means when you will go to the another component, so it will be destroy, which you will write inside this on destroy lifecycle hook. So now I have written here this on destroy lifecycle hook, the local storage will be removed. So that's why when I'm going to another any component, so it's removing this local storage. So that's the on destroy lifecycle hooks. So hope guys this video will help to you, and if you want to get more videos in Angular, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.